Hello, we are at 1760 Fell Street, and this is a large one-bedroom apartment. Here I am coming in the front door of the building. I have the unit door propped open here ahead of us. Okay, so this is the actual front door of the unit. Right when you come in, have a little entry foyer. There's a phone here for the intercom system, breaker box for the unit. I'll start with the living room. Nice big living room. We have south-facing windows. Panhandle Park is directly across the street. It's a wonderful location. We are on Fell between Masonic and Ashbury. Okay, nice tall ceilings. Have a decorative fireplace. Hardwood floors. Got Comcast in terms of cable and internet. And here's the controller for the baseboard heat here in this room. Okay, passing into the bedroom. Have another controller here for the baseboard heat for this room. Hi everybody. Okay. Nice sized bedroom. Have a decorative fireplace, closet. We got a window looking out onto the shared garden space. I'll take you guys out there here in a minute. All right. Again, nice tall ceilings and hardwood floors. Here is the bathroom. Got beige tile floor in here. Cabinet underneath the bathroom sink, medicine chest, and we have a shower with a glass shower door and tile surround. Alrighty, onward to the kitchen. Lovely large dining area. Got linoleum floor in here. Fridge. This cabinet here actually has the hot water tank. Nice big pantry. And we do have room for a large dining table in here. Okay, gas stove with a exhaust and dishwasher. Another window looking out onto the shared outdoor space. Okay, here's the cabinets. Alrighty, so here's the back door of the unit. As soon as you step out the back door, got the shared laundry for the building. This is a 3-unit building that shares that washer dryer. And we're passing to the garden. It's fenced in. Do a quick lap here so you can see. Got a wonderful park across the street and some outdoor space on site, which is great. Hard to find sometimes in San Francisco. Lemon tree. Okay, so coming back into the unit. I'll go out front and give you a quick street view and the exterior of the building. Please shoot me an email or a text if you would like to arrange to see this property. So much for watching. This has been 1760 Fell Street, the middle unit. Thank you.